What's going on? What's going on, everybody? What's going on? You about to get right on into this. Fix this camera. We about to get right on into this. Alright, so this is a little bit of a late stream. Not late, but later than usual. I was having Wi-Fi problems, but nonetheless, we're back now, so let's get right on into this video. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is marking up the previous day's high and the previous day's low. As you can see, the previous day's high has already been ran through. I'm going to actually tell you guys something I was expecting. We got the previous day's low right down here. So right now, price is showing willingness of potentially having a potential false break to the downside after having one to the upside. So we're going to see. So let me also get the Asian range, which is going to be from here to here. So we also cleared the Asian session high with that move to the top side. Let's get the 12 a.m. open right here. So as of right now, this is something that I'm anticipating to potentially be the high of the day. So we'll see how that holds up. What's going on, Martin?
What's up, Andre?
We got the high of the day here created at 2 in the morning. After it looks like it tapped into this last up candle for this down move all the way to the left, which looks like a 15-minute order block. I don't think it's really significant. It's just the fact that it's there. I'm not going to mark it up though. But we do have 34,000, which is a big figure level. So right now, I'm anticipating just potential pullback so I can overall look to continue this downwards movement. Even though higher time frame was bullish, I'm going off of the setup that I see right now. And if I pull my fib from this high to this low, we're currently rejecting the 38.20%. But for me to really be confident enough to take this trade, I want it to come at least to the 62% because we'll have more than enough confirmation along with this Asian session low. We'll be coming into this 33,800 area. Looks like we already tapped into it though. But then we have 33,900 right in between. So it might not come into this level, but that would be the ideal trade, in my opinion. Am I missing anything else? Let me see. We got a 4-hour order block in there. Right here. So there's a lot of reason for me to believe I want to see price come into this area before then, potentially going short. I did anticipate price to clear these highs last night. As you see, we did, had the false break, and now I'm anticipating just a little bit of a higher pullback before I can look to go short and ideally target 33,400 and 33,200 potentially. That would be on a good day though, so hopefully we'll see if price gets down there. But first we'll have to get past 33,600 where price created this low at also. So we'll see what happens. Anything could happen. Now I'm gonna take a look at, this is US 30. I'm gonna look at NAS 100. All right, so NAS 100 is similar situation. We got the previous day's high I ran through. Previous day's low is significantly lower, all the way down here. We're gonna get the 12 a.m. open and the Asian session also. So right here. Then we got the Asian session right here. So it's a very similar situation to what's happening on NAS 100, not NAS 100, US 30. We came above, cleared the Asian session high, cleared the previous day's high. At what time? 2 in the morning. So we have the high of the day, potentially at 2 in the morning. And if this is the high of the day along with US 30, then more than likely we're going to be anticipating a potential retracement to go lower. As you can see, it looks like the price is already doing that. Let's pull our fib from this high to this low. You see price is getting significantly close. It is closer than US 30. We did tap into the Asian session low over here. Check if there's any order blocks. We got a 4-hour order block also that looks like it got tapped into on NAS100. So that's something to keep in mind. That price could potentially continue just trying to go short because it did tap into it one time already. That's something I'm keeping in mind. US30 I would want to see come a little bit higher, but both pairs are rejecting. NAS100 is rejecting 14,200 also, which is a pretty bearish sign right now. Going into the time, 9:15, we got about 15 minutes. Personally, I just want to see price come a little bit higher on either US30 or NAS100 so I could potentially get into a trade. NAS100, I'm going to look to try to get in at this order block or at least 14,200 if I can. And I'm ideally going to be targeting all these lows down here. I'm going to be targeting what big figure level? 14,000. I'm going to be targeting 13,800, which is at this previous day's low. 13,900 could be a midpoint. We got 14,100 in here also. So there's a lot of areas where price could potentially reach for. We have 14,300 right up here. But we'll see. I just want to see if we can get a pullback potentially to 14,200, and from there I could look to potentially put my stop loss above this high for maybe about 60 points. Looking at the target down here for about 200 to 300 points. Let's see if we get that. We will see. Both are showing bullishness somewhat. We have about 15 minutes to the open. I don't know how likely we are going to continue to reject this area, but if we do, then it is what it is. I want to see it come a little bit higher, personally. So if it leaves without me, it leaves without me. We'll see what happens.
It went to the pit when it tapped that.
Yeah, the order block.
Order block.
Yeah, it came right to it on NAS.
Now it's holding the 30, 38 level, but the market hasn't opened. Once that volume comes in, people may push the price up, and smart money is like, all right, 50% range. It's above the Asian session, range, and ready to short.
Maybe.
That seems like a solid ass plan, man. Those are like those setups I love though, where it goes where we sell high and buy low.
Yes, sir.
Would you consider that bread and butter? What's the bread and butter setups again?
Yeah, it's one of these. A little bit more confirmation, maybe a little bit more clean. The bread and butter setup would have been if I took it in here, because it looks like it's to 50% of the Asian range too. The only thing is, the trend is bearish from the previous day, so I wouldn't technically be a bread and butter setup. It's close though. Looks like it's getting ready to fall.
718.
13,900 is a good target. All the way down here.
There's a lot of orders going through at if you use the volume profile, right at there's a lot of accumulation at 14,116.
Yeah. It's all right here. All right here. All right here.
Is that just where consolidation is? That's where
Yeah.
what that means?
That's all it is, yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's why I don't really use it like that. No point.
Yeah, I could tell without having to use that where the consolidation is now.
Yeah, we might not get a pullback on that. As US30 says, potential maybe to come higher. But both look like they just want to drop when the market opens. Oh man, I'm just waiting now. Doesn't look like it's about to go up. Just gotta wait, see if I even see anything. There's just like no volume. Is there news today at all? Let's see if there's news. There's news at 9:45 and 10 o'clock. All right. Looks like waiting. And that might be what market tries to move finally.
Mars!
Yeah, we just gotta wait, guys. That's really what it comes down to right now. Just be patient. We know what setup we're looking for. We just gotta let it happen now. Just gotta wait for it. Nash might fall before it gets in this area, but I still got faith in US30 coming a little bit higher, even though We are rejecting 33,800 and it's not likely. There's just so much more confirmation up here. And getting in here, stop loss, I don't know where I would put it. You would ideally probably just have it somewhere like this, which it just doesn't make sense in my opinion. If I can get in around 33,900, have a 100 pip stop loss, I think that's the best option right now. There we go. Slowly getting some bullish momentum. Slowly but surely. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Yeah, we just gotta wait, man. Slowly but surely. Alright, I'm pulling my fifth from the previous day's low. That's when we had this movement here. So I think there's a high chance price is still gonna have this push to top side. Just gotta wait for it. Now, which trade should we take? NAS or US30? Low key, I think taking the NAS trade would be a little bit smarter. US30 is the same situation. US30, and they're both the same, just lot size is the only thing that's changing. Like 50 on NAS and maybe like 100 on US30. Mm, wow. I don't do that often though. What do you mean? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it depends, but sometimes you could take just a bigger loss than you originally could have taken by just adding more position too. So it can go both ways. So I want to say it's just finding success with it, because regardless, the trade's going to be taken. It's just the sizing of it. So I wouldn't say like find success adding position though, because it just depends on the trade setup. Yeah, it's still not trying to come up. Yeah, it's about to be the open now too. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna come up. If it starts breaking past 33,600, I'm just gonna be done. It's probably just gonna keep dropping from there. All right, we're gonna push on Nas. I think Nas might be the one I end up getting this trade that I want on. I gotta get at this high though, at least. No, Nas falling now. Oof, oh, no, that's US 30. Yeah. Nas is probably gonna follow along unless Nas pushes and gets me this entry. Come on, Nas, get in that order block for me. Mm, mm, I want to see it come higher, but I don't know. What just closed? A 5 minute? I don't know if I want to get in at 14,200 or the order block. It's trying to push, but what's US 30 looking like? All right, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna get in once we tap into the order block, but we're rejecting 14,200. Come on, just a few more pips and I'm in. All right, I hopped in. It's rejecting too much. The volatility is gonna kick in, so just get my stop loss in there. I'll just say I got in right here. 50 points. Let's see what happens. Could have been a little bit of a better entry, but I ain't gonna try to make it perfect. 191. 14, 191. All right, let's see what happens, man. Let's see. Targeted 14,000 potentially. It looks like it wants to play out though. So yeah, only time will tell. Let's see what happens. Only time will tell. US 30 rejecting. Yeah, US 30 didn't come up. That's why I had a feeling US 30 wasn't gonna come any higher. And that's what's significantly closer. Had more confluence in this little area, 50%. We had the 12 AM open, 14,200, the order block. Nah, it's not over, bro. This should easily keep going higher. It's not over till I'm out the trade. I'm not even at 1-to-1 yet.
I got in on that short at 199.5.
Yeah, I'm in at like 190, 14, 195.
That's right there. It's all in that wick.
Just want to get to 1-to-1 though. It's already starting to go higher. Yeah, we still might get a push in here, so a little bit. Yeah, US30 still has room to this up here. I don't know if Nas keeps pushing though, it's probably gonna keep on pushing. But I ideally my stop would want to be above here, but that's too wide of a stop loss. Even 50 pips is kind of close. Let's see, what's US30 doing? Damn, it's pushing. Is US30 gonna? Yeah, it still has room to push in here. So Nas, I don't know. If they push with each other until US30 gets up here, then it could keep pushing to past stop loss. Yeah, we'll see. Where's the 50% of this 4-hour order block? Starts pushing past that, then I might take some off. Or at least stay below the 50% of the order block. If it goes half past that, then the likelihood of it playing out is going to be significantly less. Now we're starting to reject more. Could have just been a wick, cleared this high to the left. Hopefully that's all it was.
It's rejecting the 50% Asian range. Let's see. And it tapped the 70%, so, or almost.
Shit, if it comes for that 70, it might damn near stop me up. Where's the hour candle? 30. Yeah, I don't know. I want to see a reject, but with the way it is, it might stop me up before falling. Yeah, if Nas keeps pushing, I might not even look at it the rest. Because US30, I think, still has a chance of still falling when it gets up to here. But Nas, I don't know where it's going to go from here if it keeps pushing. So my stop loss is right there. Hold on, I don't want to move it up to the wick, to this like wick up here instead, but at the same time I don't. I'm gonna move it to the wick. It's only like a 2 pip difference, but never know. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna save it. Yeah, it's gonna come stop it out. Yeah, this one's gonna be no. That's why you don't get too excited before it's over.
Yeah.
I'm still technically in it, but it's damn near gonna stop me out. 5, 4.
People are,
3,
but now it's meeting the
2. Well, still not stopped out, but until I see a major rejection, I'm gonna assume this L. I'm gonna start looking at US30 here because that Nas trade is more than likely gonna stopped out. It's damn near right at the stop loss. I could potentially take the same type of trade over here. It'll just be a wider stop. Yeah, it just stopped me out.
Dang.
Oh. All right, let's see. US30 is rejecting already though. God damn it. I still think Nas is gonna fall. It's just a stop loss placement. There's only so much room. US30. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna take the short on US30 once I get into this zone. And if that doesn't work out, it is what it is.
Be back tomorrow.
Yeah, Nas is just pushing right now. Come on, US30. What you doing? $85. Goddamn. I don't don't think US30 is gonna come back up. Part of me wants to re-enter on NAS, but part of me just wants to wait for US30, where US30 doesn't look like it's gonna come any higher again. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it on NAS, cause I'm still in this zone. I just gotta keep my stop loss out of this area, not up here, but I'm just gonna aim for about 50 points again. If it comes up to this 50 points, then the likelihood of it going lower is gonna be significantly lower. So 242 is where I got in. Stop loss go 292. Same setup, just risk a little bit less on it. US30 just keeps missing these points. That's the only thing that gets annoying about it. Misses these areas by certain like pips. Getting in at 33,800 on US30 might be a good trade too, honestly. Where would your stop loss be? Would have to be at least 50 points over there. If anyone's selling US30, get in with like a 50 pip stop loss too. So if you get in at 720, ideally have your stop loss around like 830, 825 around there. So I do think I got them both falling right now.
Yeah, US30 is rejecting and Knox is rejecting, bro.
Yeah, we'll see what happens.
Not over yet though, like you said. So
I'm almost at TP1 on NAS, almost. Let's see, man. US30 I got going short. If you're going short on here, have at least 50 pips around there. Maybe at that wick, ideally. NAS 100. Same thing. Got it coming short. I'm in a little bit of profit. Not at TP1 though. We will see. I'm waiting for the major melt. Yeah, US30 is like struggling to go any lower. I just want to see US30 hold 33,800. That's all I want to see a hold. NAS is almost at TP1. TP1 on NAS almost getting hit, man. Almost. And never mind. It's back into this range. US30 still not really falling. US30, I want to see US30 keep falling, but it's like struggling. It's like lack of momentum. Same thing with NAS. They're both slightly dropping, but nothing crazy. Oh, come on, NAS. Might just have to wait till 9:45 news, which is about to come out. So hopefully it doesn't wick into drawdown for any reason.
I hope it has just a powerful push in our direction, honestly.
Yeah, you never know though. Never know. I just holding the order block though on that. So
And then 79%.
I'm certain TP1 just got hit on ass. Alright, Nas is at TP1. I'm gonna move stops to break even. It's a little bit risky, but I don't want to see it come any higher, man. I want to break even, but at the same time, I want it to show willingness it's gonna keep dropping before I do that, so I don't risk it's gonna stop out for no reason. Once we start to break like these 15-minute lows, then I'll break even. 5-minute lows too. I want to see it really slowly drop. All right, I'll move it to break even now. I think this is enough of a sign that it won't come in my direction again. All right, so NAS is break even. US 30. US 30 not at TP1 yet. Almost though. US 30 is about to be at TP1 also. Come on, both of these pairs are like lack of momentum right now. Like they want to drop, but they're not. They're not dropping.
Slow week. Oh, come on, let's go. Let's go.
Like the rejection is crazy, but it's just the fact that it's not trying to move yet. US 30 about to hit TP1. Come on. All right, US 30 just hit TP1. Now I need to see them continue to drop. NAS, come on. NAS has so much room to the downside, and it's just not going. So much room to the downside, and why is it going back up? I'm not trying to move my stop loss, fam. What you doing, NAS?
If you go to the 30-minute, there's still that order block. It's just hovering around that order block. It may go. Fuck. Come on.
I'm hopping out of US 30 because I don't like the way it's moving. I'm still in NAS, but NAS is damn near coming all the way back up.
Facts.
I just got out of US 30. I don't like the way it's moving. I ain't even like the stop placement on that trade, honestly.
Were you essentially at break even on that?
Yeah, almost. It's like maybe 10 pips profit. 10 points.
Hey man, you're reducing risk, honestly.
Yeah, but I'm already break even on this trade anyway. So
yeah. Risk is off
ah,
the
damn
table.
it, Nas. What you trying to do here? Alright, I'm gonna move my stop loss back to where it originally was, because that's why I didn't want to move it in the first place. I had a feeling it was gonna do some shit like this.
It may take a while for the move to play out, man. It's been slow. Yesterday was slow too, shit.
I hope not. It's news
Friday
coming
was
out
slow
right now. It still don't move and shit. There's no reason for me to be in this trade, though.
But that's not how trading works. Like, usually the move's gonna happen, huh? Like, either tomorrow or the next day.
Hey, you never know, though. Maybe. Might happen.
You gotta be prepared.
Market don't gotta do nothing.
Come on, reject, Nas, reject. Ah, pussy. Okay.
Yeah, this is the last trade I'm taking. I already took one L. If this doesn't play out, then I ain't gonna try to go back and forth. Damn, this is not trying to drop, man. We got 10 minutes to the news, so hopefully it just drops before then. I don't feel like having another day just waiting for this trade to play out. US30, yeah, still ain't really doing shit. Coming back to entry. I don't know, US30 looks like it still has room wants to come higher.
Yeah.
And if that goes higher, and that's probably gonna try to go to the 14,300. Oh, we'll see.
Good stuff reducing risk, by the way, too, because I know there's like a max daily.
Yeah, but I was only risking like 0.5 on each.
Oh, snap. Okay. Hell yeah. So it added to 1%, which makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
And it was with 50 points, huh? So that's exactly 1%. Okay. The math be throwing me off sometimes, man.
Gotta be quick with it.
Gee, I'm getting better, bro. Just trading with you, honestly. Seeing those partials, how they work and stuff.
Your account's different though than mine. You're trying to do like a 2, yeah.
Yeah, Monday I take the challenge again.
Monday?
Yeah, Monday. My grandma talked to me. She's like, "Hey, what happened? How come you're doing good?" And I said, "Well, grandma, I'm using alerts now. Like I've been trading with the homie, and you know, my eyes aren't on the chart during the day, which makes me want to jump in and out, you know." And I said, "I just placed my morning trade, and it is what it is."
Yes, sir. That's the motto.
Oh, that's the motto. Hey, you have to come out with some rap songs, bro, in the future. I'm gonna come out. I was thinking about writing some lyrics, man, about trading.
Hey, man, do what makes you happy, man. There we go. Finally falling.
Yeah, that's if that closes, that's bearish engulfing. Come on, take out that consolidation.
I just want to see it come below 14,100 at least. So after that, then I'll probably just be done. But I want to see it at least come for these lows. US30's finally falling. Should just held that trade, but fuck it. It is what it is. Come on now. That's why. They just do the opposites. One falls, one doesn't.
On the 15 though, on Nas, bro, it's those wicks are looking pretty like solid for a down move.
Shit, you'd be surprised. You'd be surprised how fast it could flip.
Ah, fuck. News comes out in 7 minutes.
I'm just
Are you
chilling
looking
at
at
one.
FX? What is it?
Yeah, I looked at my FX books to see the news.
Oh snap! They got a heat map. Hell yeah.
Whatsoever. US 30 falling. I swear, is whatever trade pair I'm in does not want to move. If I would have held this US 30 trade, I would be in good right now. Yeah, that would have been like TP3 already. God damn it. Man, look at Nas. Failing to go any lower. Yeah, US 30 is looking clean. Nas, not so much. It's a big ass wick. Just drop. Like, damn.
Hey, bro, I have my headsets on. I'm about to leave the room real quick, but
Alright, I got you.
I want to hear you.
Come on, Nas, what are you doing? Just move. Yeah, Nas, US 30 would have been the one to be in. I feel like I say that every day about every other pair. Whichever pair I'm not in, it doesn't want to move. God damn it, Nas. What you doing, man? Alright, I'm starting to add small position in this move while we're above 14,200. In anticipation that when it does finally move, I just have most of my positions stacked up above this level, so if it turns to a wick, it should remain below. Anything could happen though, so don't add risk unless you're willing to lose it. That goes for everybody. Because even though I am a drawdown, I have faith enough to add that position. Not everyone's going to have the confidence to do that, but I know what I want to see. Have my stop loss in place for a reason. Just waiting for it to happen. Alright, let's get this 10 o'clock news, which is about to hit. We got news in about 30 seconds, so hopefully this is the news we need to just make price drop. my position, second position is already in profit, which is what I was anticipating, getting in above 14,200, letting it turn into a wick. So let's see what we can get into, man. Hopefully prices continues to just drop. There's gonna be some volume with this open of the news, so could see some drawdown though, so keep that in mind. Ooh, it's looking like bullish news. Oh boy. Not what I wanted to see, but hey, that's why you gotta know how much you're risking. Don't place a trade if you're not willing to lose that much. Let's see what happens. US30's having a pullback too. Oh, it closed bullish. Oh, that's not a good sign. Not a good sign at all. I didn't think the candle was gonna close bullish like that. Hey, still sticking with this trade, man. Whatever happens, happens. Come on, get a 30-minute engulfing, 15-minute engulfing. Yeah, there we go. Still patiently waiting, man. Still patiently waiting. We're back at TP1 though.
Hell yeah, bro. Those are some rejection wicks, man. I just took. Can anybody hear me like on your audio?
Yeah, they carry.
Okay, then never mind. I'll text you.
Come on, man. What is happening? US30 is falling more. Nash still struggling. Just drop. Drop. The news is what I needed. Like I said, please just drop. The momentum has not been here, bro. I cannot get past TP1 for the life of me. Just at least clear these lows, bro. Damn. Bro, shouldn't have entered during those pullbacks, fam. Oh boy.
You're getting the best possible prices though, Andre.
So what?
You're getting good prices though, honestly.
Shit, I don't care about the price. I just want to win a trade. The entry is irrelevant. As long as you make money, that's the goal.
I think that those lows are about to get broken, Andre.
Well, we're gonna see. It ain't gonna happen till it happens.
Come on, dude.
Just patiently waiting. The lack of momentum right now is astonishing. Like, I'm at least aiming for that TP3 below the lows. That's all I need. Really struggling. Jesus Christ, bro. I don't know what it's been, but this has not been trying to move.
I was once trying to see
like 10-15 my time. If it's not moved, I'm just gonna go take a shower and hop off this again. Cause it's not trying to go nowhere.
Trying to stay under 14.2, so if it could stay under 14.2 for a while, and I feel like that these are the highs. Needs to cover as long as it hold it under 200. That's a good sign.
Yeah, more than likely will be good regardless. Just takes time.
Is it creating order blocks on order blocks? Is that how it works in consolidation? Like how if it's like
Nah, not really. Order blocks are specific candles. This shit is not moving. It's going back in the drawdown. Goddamn, man. Goddamn.
I feel like it's easy for you to like love
You said what?
like you know how we like talk about character, like a person's character.
Mm-hmm.
You think like love is a good thing, right? Like being like a higher vibration than hate, right?
You said love?
Yeah.
Like involving trading?
Loving life, bro. Like trading, cause trading's just a piece of life, you know, like, cause I'm at a point now, bro. Like, I feel like I love more than I gossip. I love more than I don't even gossip no more, bro.
I was
Like,
about to say you shouldn't be gossiping at all.
I'm focused. I have loyalty. I'm honest. And I feel like it's hard. I haven't said I love you to a lot of people, dude, in like 8 years, and I finally said it the other day. And if I felt at peace, bro, and I was like, man, this is gonna help my trading, just being more.
Hey, keep in mind though, it can go both ways. Love can fuck you up, or it can set you free.
Yeah, and that's the thing, though. I read
Goes
a book,
both ways.
and it says it doesn't matter if someone loves you. All that matters is that you love them, because you know that's not gonna affect you like spiritually and stuff. And I was like, shit. The first agreement is be impeccable with your word. That one made me stick to my rules that day. Last Friday, shit, I was like on it. I was like, I ain't FOMOing nothing. Fuck that. I'm tired of losing.
Nah, I feel you, bro. Hey, you know what works best for you. No one knows better than you.
Yeah, dude. Every time I go to work, bro, like when I would close a trade out with that was in drawdown because of the stop loss, they're like, "Why did you close it? Like is that where your exit was?" And I was like, "Yeah." And they go, "It was closed, but it didn't touch it." And I was like, "Yeah, you're right, right."
Yeah, man. Sometimes you gotta take it out early. Fuck that. Trust. Think
Well,
about
yeah,
how many times I would have missed my TP if I just take it out.
but that's the thing too. Like I used to take profit way too fast. Like I would close out three partials at TP2, and it's like, what? Why did you do that? You should
Oh
just
yeah, see that's different. I'm talking about like full TP, not partial.
let it
With
run
full
around.
TP, you're never always gonna get fully in your move. Same thing when you have sell limits, buy limits. You're never always gonna get them. That's why I don't use them. Come on, it wants to fall, bro. Like, what? Just fall, my boy. Shit.
Oh, boy,
Jeez. Nah, like you're already so falling. Nah, it's still being a little bitch. I swear, it's one or the other. I don't know what it is with my luck. Whenever I take one trade, the other fucking pair wants to move and not the one I'm on. Just get to like,
there it goes though.
man, it's been moving the whole time. This just turned into a wick. Till it breaks the lows. It means nothing. It's not like I'm gonna take a partial here, so all this room, it can come all the way down here and still turn into a wick. I'm still not gonna end up taking a partial, so it doesn't really mean much to me. I want the end result.
I have my TP at 14.
Yeah, I got mine below the lows.
1463 around there. It's not bad.
Yep, back into a wick. I haven't given it like 3.5 minutes, and then I'm out.
Hey,
You had some great features on the album. You had
All y'all boys watching, inspiring words from your buddy? Yes, sir. I'm talking about you, Martin.
oh, what happened?
Someone said inspiring words. I think when you're
Oh,
talking
okay.
about love.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, thanks. I appreciate it. Just
There we
trading,
go.
trading will kind of free your soul a little bit, man. Subconsciously.
some great features.
Oh my god, bro. Just drop. God damn, bro.
Nothing bad.
Shit.
It's all Bunny on the line. I'm over here giggling and shit, bro. My bad.
Nah, I could care less. This shit just doesn't want to move, bruh.
Hit on the fucking apex or something during these moments. Just a little something.
Alright, I'm moving one of my stop losses to break even. I'm gonna leave the other one above this, above the engulfings and above all the wicks. Because if it comes all the way back up there, then I doubt it's gonna fucking play out. There. The wrist is basically gone. But now we see if it's even gonna hold up, because this shit's fucking ridiculous. Nah, this is... Alright, I'm done. I'm just leaving it at this. Whatever happens, happens. I'm already break even on one position. The worst that could happen is I don't even know how much I'm risking, but it's nowhere near what it originally was. So whatever happens, I got my stop losses above the wicks. So it's safe. Risk managed. TPs are set at below the low down here. So when it gets taken, that's a 1 to 3. Once these lows are taken, if these lows get taken at this point. But I'm just gonna hold this position. Whatever happens, happens. So I'm gonna end it off here. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm still net loss for the day because since I'm still in these trades, I took that first L. If I was to take all the money out right now while I'm in profit, I think I would be up. Would I? Not up, but break even. No, I wouldn't. I'll be closer. Well, I'm gonna just leave it off here. So I'm gonna end it here. Martin, I'm gonna talk to you in the morning. Everyone else, y'all be safe. Happy trading. If you're in this, just hold it. Have your stop losses set. They're there for a reason. And that's really it. So I'll talk to everyone tomorrow. Make sure you be motivated by the fear of being average, and everyone be safe.